Okay, ready? Color guard. Yes. Color guard time. Using 2 cameras at the same time. Ooh.
This is my flag pole. It's not the silk I got at WGI last year. And as you can see, I suck at it. Some of my show flags. You can see. I'm gonna hit my house. I haven't touched these things since our last show.
Hold on. Go. Put the camera down. The camera's recording. Today we had color guard doing by Brittany, going with 2 cameras. This camera might not see much. Never seen something like that move. Okay.
Hey. Alley guard took my life.
My life has to be
My
friends.
rifle.
What?
My rifle.
That's her rifle. Remember, we got the camera up there too. Rolling.
What?
Camera up there is rolling. What, recording it?
Ooh, I've never done that before.
What? My sheepy ball.
Flag.
Her flags. Brittany Pedro. It needs to be fun.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yep, that's about it.
Have you ever tried tossing one of these? What? Yeah.
Tossing?
Impossible.
Yeah, it looks like it. To toss one of those.
Alright, that's it. Bye.
Bye! I don't know. Okay. Oh, wait.